Hello friends, today we are going to talk about another aspect of obesity. Today millions of people all over the world are obese and they are extremely frustrated in their fight against obesity because they are unable to lose weight. Many of them need to lose 20, 30, 40 kg weight and they don't know how to do it, primarily because they are getting only wrong treatments everywhere in the market. What is the problem with these people? Many of them, because they are so overweight, are suffering from hypertension, diabetes, heart disease, strokes, or threatening strokes, or PCOD. Ladies are suffering from PCOD, infertility, miscarriages, and there are no other causes than obesity in many of these cases, and these people do not know how to lose weight and correct their illnesses. Arthritis is another disease which is so commonly associated with obesity. Now, why does this happen? Because the treatments available in the market are not focusing on doing the right things. Today, let me tell you how we can manage obesity and how we can approach the whole problem. I am Dr. Nitin Gupte. I am an obesity consultant. This channel is about healthy weight loss, eating and living healthy, and being slim and healthy for a lifetime. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below so I can answer the questions after the video. Today, all these people who are obese are struggling against obesity and fearing that they need to lose 20, 30, 40 kg weight. And they don't know how. Do they really have to lose all that weight at one time? No, they haven't. What they do not know about obesity is that even losing 10% of their extra weight takes a lot of load off their body. Their knee joints suffer because of obesity, their lower body joints all suffer because of obesity, and if they lose even 10% body weight, even if they lose 4 kg weight at a time, 20 kg load is taken off the lower body joints. So the joints stop or slow down their wearing down and the process of arthritis slows down. Now similarly, when the weight goes down, the blood pressure goes down. Many people are suffering from hypertension these days because of stress and obesity and lack of exercise. Now once they lose 4 kg weight, the blood pressure starts climbing down. It is recorded that with exercise and losing weight, the systolic blood pressure comes down by 12.5 mm, whereas the diastolic BP climbs down by 8 mm of mercury. Now, even if that happens, your body is considerably relieved and the ill effects of hypertension on your coronary arteries, on your brain arteries, on your heart, they reduce a lot. Similarly, what are the other things that are benefited by losing 4 kg weight? Your blood sugar climbs down. Once your blood sugar climbs down, your threat of developing diabetes, or if you are already at diabetes, your sugars start getting normal very quickly. Your glycated hemoglobin also climbs down in the next 3 months if you lose 4 kg weight. Now this reduces the threat of diabetes, heart disease, strokes from your future illnesses. Similarly, cholesterol and total blood fats, cholesterol and LDL cholesterol, which is the bad cholesterol in your body, also start reducing once you lose 4 kg body weight and start exercising regularly. Your body develops cholesterol and you eat cholesterol from your food, and your total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol, they accumulate in your coronary arteries, in your brain arteries, and they start narrowing them down. So coronary artery disease can occur or strokes can occur in future. Now if you lose 4 kg body weight, the accumulation of cholesterol and LDL cholesterol within your arteries starts reducing. HDL cholesterol, which is the healthy cholesterol, is also affected by your exercising and losing 4 kg weight. HDL cholesterol is what lowers your chances of heart disease by cleansing your coronary arteries. They remove the LDL cholesterol and cholesterol plaques from your arteries and take them away to the liver where they are disposed of out of the body. So LDL cholesterol is extremely important. Whenever a person is found to have high cholesterol or high LDL cholesterol, doctors usually prescribe statin drugs or other drugs for lowering their cholesterol levels. What do these drugs do? They bring down not only total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol, but they also lower your good cholesterol, that is the LDL cholesterol. The result is that you are still under the threat of developing heart disease. Not having enough LDL cholesterol in your blood increases the chances of developing heart disease. Now, how do you increase your LDL cholesterol? The best way to increase your LDL cholesterol is to brisk walk for at least 30 minutes, at least 5 days a week. And if you lose 4 kg body weight, all the better. The other things, those are changed by losing 4 kg body weight and being physically active, are that you sleep better, your self-esteem goes up, your confidence level goes up, and it shows on your general health. Your skin and your hair health improves because of better health. What other things does this reflect upon? Your blood triglycerides, which is the fat available in your blood, it also reduces. Even high triglycerides lead to heart disease. So lowering of triglycerides improves your heart health. Another aspect of your health which is very important is an illness called sleep apnea. When you start exercising regularly and lose 4 kg weight, your sleep apnea reduces, your sleep improves, and your threat of developing coronary artery disease reduces. Sleep apnea is eventually known to lead to coronary artery disease. So you see, even losing 4 kg body weight is going to make a lot of difference to your overall health. How are you going to do it? It's simple. You just eat whole grains, cereals, pulses, whole grain cereal pulses, ample fruits and ample vegetables, have low fat milk, and exercise regularly along with it. And if you are a fish eater, have 200 grams of sea fish twice a week so that you get ample amount of omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce the chances of developing coronary artery disease. So you see, this is the reason why you can even lose 4 kg body weight. You don't have to lose 20, 30, 40 kg weight at a time. Look at it this way. You just start eating healthy. You start walking at least 30 minutes a day. Walk at your own pace. Slowly increase the pace of your walks. Body will do it. You don't have to do anything. You just start walking. Do it every day. 1 day, 2 days, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Gradually your fitness levels will climb. You'll start walking quicker, and you'll find that walking quicker is far more easier now than it was at the beginning. And you can add important minutes to your walks. 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 50 minutes, 60 minutes. You can divide it in 2 or 3 or even more installments throughout the day and walk briskly during this period once you are fitter. And you will find that your weight will start going down. You will start feeling fresh and energetic from within. Your skin and hair health will improve, and you will be much more healthier than you were before. Your blood pressure, your cholesterol, triglycerides, your blood sugar, all will have climbed down, and you will be much more healthier than what you are now. 5 years ago, I had a call from a young engineer from Frankfurt in Germany, and he wanted to lose 7 or 8 kg weight with me to reduce his chances of diabetes catching up with him. His family had a long history of diabetes in them, and he was the only 35 plus male in their family who was still free from diabetes at around 37 or 38 years of age. His parents are very successful, very well known doctors in Satara, and this fellow is a German citizen now and has settled down in Germany a long time ago after finishing his masters at Powai IIT. Now, he wanted to lose just 7 or 8 kg weight to reduce his chances of diabetes catching up with him, as was his family history. We started the treatment. This was about January. And then he lost about 11.5 kg by the time he met me in July when he came to India for the first time. after consulting me. Every July he comes to India to meet his parents and spend some 3 weeks or so in India. So that was the time he decided that we would meet. Then he told me a story that he had consulted a few star obesity consultants in Mumbai and it had not worked out for him, and in spite of spending a lot of money, lakhs of rupees on those treatments. And with me, what did he do? He simply ate his own food a little more refined nutritionally, a little more fine-tuned nutritionally. And he was doing some kind of a exercise with some kind of a simulation tennis game. I don't remember now exactly what the name of the game is, but probably it is played by many people, maybe probably out of India. And then he bought himself an elliptical cross trainer, a home elliptical cross trainer, and he worked out on that. And by the time he reached me about 5-6 months later, he had lost about 11.5 kg instead of losing 7 or 8 kg weight that he wanted to lose. Then he went back to Germany and lost another 4.5 kg weight and completed 16 kg weight loss eventually. Now, this man is also there on the testimonials page of my website. He says that daily reporting has become extremely valuable for him during his treatment with me. What was different between my treatment and the other treatments that he received in Bombay? It was simple. Those treatments were actually focusing on diets. I was focusing on healthy nutrition, which hugely benefited him and which kept him safe from developing diabetes. For the last 5 years now, he must be in his early 40s and he's still free of diabetes. His father was after him to lose 7 or 8 kg weight to prevent him from catching diabetes. His father was very fed up with a long time suffering from diabetes, 45 years suffering from diabetes. So he wanted his son to be protected from it. So why did he want him to lose 7 or 8 kg weight? Because probably he knew that losing even 4 kg body weight is going to make a difference to the whole blood picture of his son, and that will protect him from diabetes. Instead of losing 4 kg or 7 or 8 kg, we lost 16 kg. So now he's totally slim, absolutely slim, and I hope that he'll continue to be absolutely safe from diabetes. So you see, the idea is not to lose all the 20 or 30 or 40 kg weight completely, but begin losing weight a little at a time. Lose 4 kg body weight and you'll find a huge difference in your overall health. Thank you for listening to my video, and please subscribe and share the video and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified each time I post another new video. Thank you very much.